This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days mini scissor holder with pincushion, and this is how we make it. You will need 3 contrasting fabrics, some elastic and some toy stuffing. Using your templates, cut out your 3 pieces of fabric. Your template shaped like this is the front piece. We'll start by making the front piece. On this line, straight line here, turn over 1 centimetre and press. I've turned it over by 1 centimetre and pressed it. I've turned it over by a further centimetre, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and sew all along. I'm going to be using my fancy stitch for this stage. I've sewn all the way along. I've used a fancy stitch. Now place your front piece on your lining, line up all the sides and edges and add some clips. I've added my clips and now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and sew all along the clipped sides, fairly close to the edge. This is just tacking them into place so they don't move about for the next stage. I've tacked all the way around and now I'm going to put my elastic into place. Take your elastic and fold in half, and then it goes in this corner and add a clip. I'm now going to take it over to the sewing machine and tack into place. I've tacked my elastic into place. It is correct that it faces inwards, so don't worry. Next, take your back piece and place on top, line up all the sides and edges, and once again add some clips. I've added my clips and I've also added my gap sign to remind me to stop, to leave a gap. So I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and sew along this edge, all the way down, across, back up, stop at my gap sign, start again at the other side and back up to the top. I've sewn all the way around using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I've remembered to leave my gap for turning, and I've also snipped each of the 4 corners, and it's through this gap I'm going to turn it the right way out. I've turned it the right way out and I've pushed out the 4 corners, and I've also turned in the raw edge of the gap. I'm now going to take my stuffing and fill. I've added my stuffing and now I'm going to hand stitch the gap closed. I've hand sewn the gap, and all that's left now is to add our scissors. I've added my scissors, and that's our Happy Days mini scissor holder with pincushion all finished.